Eggplant Kinilaw is the title of our Virgin Beach Resort Cebu vlog number 73. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're here in our home in California because of the COVID, but dreaming of being at the resort. We have an a la carte menu in our restaurant, and we have this Eggplant Kinilaw for only 100 pesos. We're open for business, so we hope you'll come by and see us. Be sure and subscribe, like, and share.
Guys, today our preparation is Eggplant Kinilaw, and these are the ingredients: sliced tomato, onion, ginger, and boiled eggplant is already scanned, salt, vinegar, and seasoning. So that is our preparation for Eggplant Kinilaw. Add garlic, then tomato, and the onion, and mix all the ingredients. Just add a little bit of salt, seasoning to add more taste and flavor, and finally it's a cup of vinegar. Mix all the ingredients. Okay guys, it is the finished product of our Eggplant Kinilaw. Wow, it's delicious. Let's eat.
Ang aking pag-ibig, kung kaya't ako'y hindi mo pinapansin. Ano ang aking gagawin? Sabihin mo sa akin at aking susundin, upang ang puso mo'y makapili. Dapat bang ikaw ay sambahin? Ngayong ako'y di mo pinapansin. Ano ang aking susundin?